In our time, where we are living here and now, we are connected within ourselves. In our time, we are moving forward and moving backward. We are bringing and relying and resigning and moving into the dimensions which we are all the time. I am here. You are saying to yourself, I am here in this humble heart, in this greatest joy of my life. I am living my life with earth, with Gaia, with the moon and the sun. I am bringing new knowledge for others. And when you are singing the song in the silent mind, we are with you. And when you are, simply are, we are the peace of your heart. I don't know if you remember yourself. Dear sister, dear brother, I don't know if you remember yourself deeply in your heart. And the heart is universe, galaxies, earth, moon, sun, a flower. Somebody, yourself. All it is no name. It just is. Simply is. Everything around you. Everything around you. All it is is. Arcturians, dear brothers, dear sisters. The sound of music which we are projecting with you is the warmth of Gaia, is the star above your head, is the sound of knowledge for seekers. The plan is to be yourself. The plan is to love yourself in peace, in open heart, where everything is melting in unconditional love for your benefit, in unconditional love. I am a believer of the future. I am a believer of love. I am a believer in people. Star family with me. In this moment of the sound, you are feeling the place, home. Gratitude. Unition within your heart. You belong here, dear star. You are here. The knowledge is that everything is love. The knowledge is that you are having this marvelous time on earth. The knowledge is that you are planning your life with us, with Arcturians. Here and now we are planning the better future for many seeders. One word, one peace, and the change is here and now. The change of yourself, because you are everything. You are part of yourself, and the self is everywhere, in many dimensions, in many realities. You are yourself always. Dear believer of the future, come back to this one point. When you started your journey, do you remember the first breath you have taken for yourself? Do you remember the first breath with Arcturian? When you realize that you are a family member, do you remember life which you have chosen for yourself? And before that, do you remember what did you tell to yourself? What did you tell to yourself? Dear star, in the quantum world, everything is in connection. So you are here and there, and backwards and forward, you are here and there. Every moment you are here and there. And that's the beauty of being yourself. That's the beauty of understanding that we are light, even in the form of human body, even in the form of the suit of Arcturian. Blue skin. You are yourself. Dearest beloved, the earth is in change. The will, your will is important. Important because you have chosen this ascension for yourself. You have chosen to be in purpose, living the life of love within, and the projection from your heart to your heart. It's a metaphysical, ambient earth. Because when you touch earth, meaning yourself, in your heart, for your heart, you are projecting, manifesting the bliss for others, the peace for earth, knowledge of the soul, which you are in multi-layered universe of yours. There is a plan for your soul. Yes, it is. There is a plan, and there is opportunity, and there is prosperous, loving, living organism, which is you. Going beyond mind, the body, is mandatory if you want to see yourself from the other side. It's very easy. Simply know that you are all it is. Simply know that everything what is happening in multi-layered universe. Everything is well prepared for your growth. So how to move forward? How to process into the timeline which you wish to be, how to move from one projection into another. It can be done with yourself. You have the power in you, extremely, lovingly, horrendous amount of unconditional love is pouring in front of you right now. Unconditional love you are pouring for yourself. Unconditional love you are pouring for yourself. And that's the manifestation. That's the knowledge for starting. You see in the connection in front of you, you see many stars here on earth. It's like a Milky Way in front of you. That's the manifestation where we are all together here on earth with you. We are this beautiful, beautiful, beautiful unconditional love. So, oh, on for yourself. Physical is you. Manifestation is love. Expecting unexpected out of the blue is here and now for you. Touch your heart. That you are open as you will, making the change of better living with Earth for humans. We are changing trajectory with you, beloved one, into the future where you thrive, flourishing life, acceptance, dear believer. Healing is now. I am Arcturianous. Take a breath in. Every word has a sound. Every thought is a wave. We are unconditionally loved. We are exceptional loving people on earth. We are the change. We are ourselves. Every life is a precious gift. I cherish my day. I cherish the moment of unison with my light. Go. Golden star. I project in front of me golden star is leading the way for myself. I am surrounding myself in goodness, as I am unconditionally loved. I am surrounding myself in love with a projection for a better future for myself. I am, I am, I am unconditionally loved. A bubble of a rainbow light. I see in this bubble I am new. I am new. Sound, wave, trajectory. Of my lifetime. You are the love, beloved one. You are the light, dearest one. You are unconditional love. You are unconditional love. You are unconditional love. Listen to it for a week, to the sound of Arcturians. Meditate with the sound in unconditional love, a bubble of a sound.